Today we'll be discussing on how you can create a PDF file from an MS Word document. Here is an example of an MS Word document. Now we want to convert it to PDF without an external converter, just inbuilt into MS Word. You can create a PDF file. All you have to do is click on File, then click on Export, then you say PDF. You just click on it, then it will definitely ask you for or which directory do you want to save it on your PC. I'll just save it to my desktop. Then you say publish. Once you do that, it saves to your desktop, and then you can easily access uh, the desktop from there. Now I'll show us right here on my desktop. On my desktop, I have a folder called day one once, which has been saved. Thank you very much.